Red Truck Monsters Race for First Place by Candice Ransom, illustrated by Tyrell Solomon. Monster need a brand new ride. Something roomy, tall inside. Something roomy means lots of room. Sporty car, no place to sit. If he chooses a sporty car, there's not enough place to sit. Spiffy red truck, perfect fit. What do you think spiffy means? Spiffy red truck. It means that it's very stylish and it's elegant. Spiffy red truck. They see cows, a grocery store, Plano highway, such a bore. Look at those trucks, super size. Look at that. Big race today. Nab grand prize. Monsters high five, monsters grin. Monster hope their truck might win. Good idea. Not so much. Well, they want to win something. Let's see. So many trucks. 22. Purple, yellow, black and blue. One whopping truck called Meatball. Last one is red. Smallest of all. Zoom along the track. Engines vroom. The green lights flash. Drivers zoom. Meatball's tires turn round and round, digging circles in the ground. Trusty red is not too late. Its wheels draw a figure 8. See? It draws a figure 8. Meatball looms. He cannot pass. Lay some rubber. Hit the gas. Ram straight ahead. Hang on tight. Red grabs big air like a kite. Next, red does a tricky flip. Monster tummies twist and tip. You see? It's upside down. Other trucks are stalled and stuck. Bumpers fly off. That's their bumpers. Monster duck. I mean, they're trying to get away. So when the trucks are stalled and stuck, it means that they have nowhere else to go. It's stalled and stuck. Red jolts over ruts and holes. Bolts break loose, but red still rolls. 2 trucks left, red plus the pro. Neck and neck, one stunt to go. So who do you think is going to win? Huge jump over boats and plane. Monster gulp, but keep their lane. Hothead meatball nudges red. Its back wheel slips, loses tread. Angry crowd leaps to their feet. Unfair, bad sport, what a cheat. Meatball speeds but lands on the boat. Giant truck down, judge takes note. Let's see. The crowds are saying that it's not fair because somebody's cheating. Monster swallow, take a chance. Front wheel slap down, watch red dance. Rev up red, sails like a spear, pushes meatball in the clear. Both land safe with space to spare. Both win grand prize as a pair. Hungry drivers want to eat, enough of all, winner's treat. Monster gain some friends and fame, happy for Rose, nice and tame. So it looks like the smallest car won. They followed the rules, they did their best, tried their best, and didn't cheat. And so they won the race.